Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about must-have GoPro mount and accessories. Basically, this GoPro mount accessories comes with nice hardshell case, this head mount, this hand grip, this chest mount, and this suction cup mount, and this helmet mount, and the stickers with it. And now, unboxing. This GoPro mount and accessories is by a company called HSU. They specialize in action camera accessories. They have many different GoPro accessories and mount sold in Amazon. This particular package is under $25 in Amazon. Water hand grip GoPro installation is very straightforward. Just like the other mounts and accessories, it is compatible with all versions of GoPro. The suction cup mount requires a base mount plate. It comes with two kinds of base plate. They both work, but we are going to use this one. Pop that sucker in and the rest is straightforward. On the bottom is the suction cup lever, and there's 3 joints for the movement. It is compatible with all versions of GoPro. The head mount installation is very straightforward. And it is compatible with other type of GoPro cameras. Okay, so I have a head mount on and got my suction cup mount ready to go. Let's go test this sucker out. Okay, let's do this. Okay, one of the way I like to use this suction cup mount is on the car. You could stick it on the windshield and you could film yourself driving. And this thing is very nice and sturdy and sticks pretty well. Let's give it a try. Chest mount also needs a base mount, and there's 2 kinds that comes with the package, and we are going to use this one. Go and pop in the base mount to the chest plate, and the rest is pretty straightforward. And it is compatible with other type of GoPro cameras. Okay, I'm at the local amusement park. I got my chest mount on. Let's do some rides.
Riders, welcome aboard the Coast Rider. Please step into the seat front.
like this little small mount that came with the package. With this little mount, you could mount small camera instead of GoPro camera. Let me show you. Lastly, it comes with 4 permanent helmet mount, and they're pretty straightforward. You stick it on the helmet and they're permanent. So best part about the whole thing is this carrying case. It's a well-made case. It's got the hard cover outside. It's got a nice zipper, handlebar, and little latch. And you could put all your GoPro accessories in here and then carry with you everywhere you go. If you want more information, I'll put the link below so you can go and check it out.